Have you ever wondered how to create multiple streams of income online? Today, we're going to delve into the heart of this income revolution and provide you with a step-by-step guide to creating a robust and sustainable online income portfolio. The world of work is transforming. The days of relying on one job or one source of income are slowly fading into the annals of history. Today, the smart money is on diversification, and that's precisely what the income revolution is all about. By creating multiple streams of income online, you can build a more secure financial future and take control of your financial destiny. So, what types of income streams are available online? There's a vast ocean of opportunities out there. From affiliate marketing, online courses and YouTube channels to writing ebooks, starting a blog, freelancing, or even creating a software as a service company. The possibilities are as varied and unique as you are. To successfully navigate this sea of opportunities, you first need to identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you love doing? By aligning your income streams with your skills and passions, you'll not only increase your chances of success but also enjoy the journey along the way. Once you've identified your skills and interests, the next step is to choose the right income streams for you. This isn't a one-size-fits-all process. It may take some trial and error, but with patience and perseverance, you'll find the right fit. Now that you've chosen your income streams, it's time to create a monetization plan. This is your roadmap to success. It outlines how you intend to make money from each stream and provides a clear path to follow. To make your plan a reality, you'll need to build an online presence. Whether it's a website, a social media profile, or a YouTube channel, your online presence is the platform from which you'll launch your income streams. Once you've established your online presence, the next step is marketing and promoting your income streams. This involves reaching out to your target audience, building relationships, and creating value. This is where the magic happens. Now let's not forget about managing and scaling your income streams. This is an ongoing process. As you start to generate income, it's crucial to track your progress, manage your finances, and continually look for ways to scale and grow. To sum up, creating multiple streams of income online involves understanding the income revolution, identifying your skills and interests, choosing the right income streams, creating a monetization plan, building an online presence, marketing and promoting your streams, and managing and scaling your income. It's a journey, not a destination, and with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling one. So, are you ready to join the income revolution? The future of work is here, and it's online.